Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class of 2024 Dental Hygiene White Coat Ceremony. At this time, we will have Clinical Associate Professor Tulsi Patel from the Department of Periodontics and Dental Hygiene to lead the students in their processional. You may be seated. Now we will have introductions and greetings from our various UTSD administration, and I would like to introduce our panel of administrators here, Dean Valenza, Dr. Robert Spears, Associate Dean of Student and Academic Affairs, Dr. Ralph Cooley, Assistant Dean of Student and Academic Affairs, and Dr. Nicola Angelov, the Department Chair of Periodontics and Dental Hygiene, and the Director of Dental Hygiene Program, Dr. Victoria Petranova, and our lovely dental hygiene faculty, Professor Ruth Khan, Professor Teresa Dufresne, Professor Tulsi Patel, Professor Khairunnisa Hashmani, and Professor Hannah Medrano. Now I would like the first introduction is going to be by Dean Valenza.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Well, welcome to especially family, friends, and guests, and of course, the class of 2024. There are two people that Professor Naderi was not able to introduce today that I wanted to point out to you, Dr. Margot Melcher and Miss Lori Jones. Dr. Melcher is full-time faculty here at the school, Director of Community Outreach. Ms. Jones is president of the Dental Hygiene Association for the school. And I make note of them because I was with them this morning virtually, as they are members of the Texas State Board of Dental Examiners. And classes, we were talking the other day about life after dental school, and for most of you that will be practicing dental hygiene, but we talked about other opportunities that you may have in industry or education or otherwise. And I thought by their absence today how significant it was with the meeting I had this morning with the state board and seeing those two of our alumni there. So class of 2024, as I also mentioned to you, you're in a unique situation that most dental hygiene students in the U.S. don't get to experience, and that is learning in a dental school setting. And in addition to your terrific faculty and your classmates, there are dental students, clinical dental faculty, biomedical, and other faculty to learn from. And of the 26 dental hygiene programs in the state of Texas, we're only one of the 4 dental schools in the state, the only one in the Houston area that is based in a dental school. So a really potentially rich experience for you as you begin. So what does today mean for you? And there's certainly others, and especially your program director and our keynote speaker will talk about that. But Recognizing this rich learning experience that you have and that you've chosen, donning your white coats today is more than just a symbol. It is a pledge. It's a commitment, a responsibility to serve humanity, and to be professional at all times, in all places, in person, online, and otherwise. So savor this moment and dwell upon what the white coat means to you and your patients and others. I look forward to watching all of you grow and to see you walk across the stage in just 22 months. So class of 2024, congratulations. And again, welcome friends and family. Thank you.
Now, I would like to introduce Dr. Robert Spears, Associate Dean of Student and Academic Affairs.
Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning, families. Thank you for being here at this event. So, I have to tell you, the job never leaves me. I have students taking a remediation exam, and I'm getting buzzed because they didn't get the password. We can't take the exam. Everybody's in a panic. So I'm having to communicate back and forth with, even when I come to White Coat, still take care of business. It's great to see all of y'all here. It's always a wonderful day. I love White Coat because it's that start to a journey that you're about to embark upon. You've heard a lot over these last few days about the school, how the school is here for you, how we're going to help you. We've also mentioned how you have responsibilities as well to yourself, to the school, to your patients. That white coat represents a really big commitment that you've put yourself into of taking care of your patients. You all know how serious that is. I have trust that you're going to do that in the appropriate manner that we're going to help you with or whatever. So families, you play an important role in this, and that you are here to help support your person that you're here with. We hope that it's a great journey. 22 months. That 22 months, as Dr. Valencia mentioned, it's going to go by so fast. You'll be surprised. Right now, you're going to think, oh, no, it's really not. It will. It's going to go incredibly quickly. So thank you for putting your trust in us and making that decision to come to the school here. It's a great place, world-class faculty. Enjoy every bit of it that you can. Take care. Enjoy the day, everyone. Thank you for being here.
Now, I would like to introduce Dr. Nicola Angelov, the Department Chair of the Periodontics and Dental Hygiene.
So, welcome everyone. Good morning. Dear Dr. Valenza, dear colleagues, dear alumni, dear friends, dear students and guests, parents, family and friends. Special greetings and special thank you actually to the parents and significant ones that are here with us today, because none of this would happen without you for sure. So thank you all. Students, I'm very much honored to be here today, welcoming you to your initiation actually in this profession, in the health profession. You have chosen a wonderful profession, one that is principled, one that is caring. Being a periodontist, I'm very well aware, as you may think, that about the value of what a dental hygienist brings into anybody's dental office. That's for sure. And a recent survey by Sunstar stated that 80%, a little bit over 80% of patients say they trust their dental hygienist and the recommendations of the dental hygienist. And I don't want to share the one about dentists, but this is about dental hygiene, right? So, but the truth is that the dental hygiene program is in every dental office is actually the make it or break it factor for the success of any dental office, and that's absolutely true. And it takes a special kind of person to be a dental hygienist. It takes empathy, to be sensitive to the fears or distress that they experience by the people who visit the office. It takes attention to detail. It takes manual dexterity to perform the procedures in diagnosis and treatment. And it also takes stamina, of course, to spend hours leaning over many patients. And it takes strong interpersonal skills to relate and communicate with patients and coworkers. So to put it very frankly, dental hygienists are actually the silent heroes of dental care. Well, I'm very proud to tell you that you got into an outstanding dental hygiene program. This is indeed a terrific program. On all boards, our graduates score above the national average, and our training is superior to all of the programs that are definitely in Houston area and wider. Matter of fact, our graduates are hot commodity when it comes to general dentists looking for dental hygienists for their private practices. That I can tell you for sure. This speaks volumes not only about the quality of students that we accept into the program, but also volumes about the excellence of our dental hygiene faculty and the quality of the dental hygiene faculty that you have. And I guess most of them are here, or some of them are here with us, but it's an extraordinary, well-educated, very dedicated group of people that sit on the dental hygiene faculty. And you will not only gain excellent clinical skills from them, but you will also get exposed to the state-of-the-art teaching and also research opportunities. As every year and with every class, I sort of want to leave you guys with maybe several pieces of recommendation. And I do believe maybe these little pearls of instructions can stand the impact of time. But I want to tell you first to seek the advice in the direction and of course the help of the dental hygiene faculty, of your faculty. And we're here for you. And there's no more important responsibility to any of us than basically teaching and working with you. So do that for sure. My second advice is to actually be obsessive about learning and be very passionate about your profession. Like I said, it's a wonderful profession. It's an honorable profession and one that requires not only teaching skills, technical skills, but passion and empathy at the same time. So still, as Dr. Valenza mentioned earlier, there's one very important thing that comes attached to that white coat, and that's the responsibility towards you, towards your patients. And me being on the older side, of course, I like to quote things. So, I'll use a quote from Winston Churchill, who said once, the price of greatness is responsibility. And, I would like to add responsibility is actually the glue that ties the commitment to the results. So I'll try to leave you with that. But as you move forward through your education, let me wish you lots of success in all that you will need to graduate from this program. And you will, because we're all UTSD, as you know. So thank you and good luck. Appreciate it.
Okay. Next, I would like to introduce our keynote speaker, Dr. Victoria Petranova. She's an associate professor and director of the dental hygiene program. She graduated from UTSD in dental hygiene in 1999 and pursued her master's in healthcare administration in 2007 from Texas Women's University at Houston. She joined the faculty in 2009. She's the past president of Greater Houston, vice president and treasurer. She's also been active in the state level at the TDHA. Nationally, TDHA is Texas Dental Hygienists Association. Nationally, she is an accomplished speaker and expert in the field of smoking cessation. She has presented several continuing education courses at the American Dental Hygienists Association, and she has published several articles in dental and dental hygiene journals and has been a textbook chapter contributor. She has served as chair of American Dental Education Association section in addictions. Among her many awards and recognitions, she received the 2018 Procter & Gamble Teaching Excellence Award. Please help me welcome Dr. Victoria Petranova.
Good morning. Thank you, Professor Naderi, for the introduction. Dean Valenza, Dr. Angeloff, Dr. Spears, Dr. Cooley, my fellow dental hygiene colleagues, friends, family, thank you for joining us today. Thank you for joining DH class of 2024 for their white coat ceremony. I'm very excited to speak at white coat ceremony. I'm myself, as you heard, a UTSD graduate. Just like Generation Z during pandemic, I graduated, moved out, and then came back. So this is my home. Dental hygiene is a great career choice. It gives you flexibility, good pay, the opportunity to meet different people every day. It's about becoming a part of healthcare team, improving the oral and overall health of kids, adults, and seniors. During this past 2 years of the pandemic, some people were delaying medical and dental appointments. I believe the safest place you can visit during pandemic is a doctor's or dental office. As a healthcare provider, you will learn a lot about infection control, epidemiology, and PPE, more than any of your family members or friends, unless you're friends or related to Dr. Fauci or Dr. Ostrovsky. If you don't know who they are, please look them up. My journey in the dental hygiene was not straightforward. When my husband and I came to this country in 1993, my dental degree from a different country was not accepted here, so I needed to start over. So just like you, I took prerequisites at the community college in Midwest City, Oklahoma, and I studied dentistry and dental hygiene on 2 different continents, in 2 different languages, at 2 universities, and 1 community college. I was happy to be accepted here at UTSD. It was hard to sacrifice family time, study every weekend. Have to admit, there were some failures, some tears, my tears, crocodile tears, some triumphs, and a long commute. You cannot believe it, but I did not have a cell phone. There was no Waze. There were no Google Maps. I drove a stick shift, and I listened to the radio. So class of 1999, basically last century. Unlike the class of 2024, our class did not have a white coat ceremony. The white coat ceremony was created by Arnold P. Gold Foundation in 1993 to symbolize a rite of passage for medical students first. It signifies a milestone, a change of roles, a promise to uphold the profession to the highest standard. During the ceremony, a white coat is placed on each student's shoulder, and the oath is recited, signifying students' entrance into the medical profession. Since 1990s, that tradition was adopted by other healthcare professions, including nursing, dental, and dental hygiene schools. The white coat symbolizes commitment to serving the public for the rest of your career, the opportunity to make real change in the lives of your patients. The white coat is the beginning of the journey that you take together with your classmates to become healthcare professionals. Today will be the first time you will be reciting dental hygiene oath. The oath is intended to provide you with well-defined guidelines regarding the expectations and responsibilities appropriate for dental hygiene professional. You might not know who Randy Pausch was. He was a computer science professor who was diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer. Before he passed, he delivered the last lecture at Carnegie Mellon University where he was teaching. And he said, as a professor, I learned early on that I could trust bright 19-year-old students with the keys to my kingdom. And most of the time, they were responsible and impressive. Well, you might not be 19, but we trust that we selected the best applicants to become the next generation of dental hygienists, and you will impress us during these 2 years in a good way. Let's consider this ceremony as passing on the keys. We're letting you into the professional world. We trust that you will become capable, ethical, empathetic, preventive care specialists, guided by the dental hygiene oath, your moral compass, and your passion for improving oral health. Being at UTSD Dental Hygiene Program not only will give you knowledge and skills, You will also get some lifelong friends, first 3 rows, and you will have a sense of professionalism and hopefully a new purpose in your life. It takes more than learning certain subjects, instruments, and materials to be successful in dental hygiene and dentistry. You need great communication skills, as it was mentioned earlier, to educate and treat a diverse population of patients. You will need practice management knowledge to be financially successful, ergonomics to keep you healthy and productive for many years. Most importantly, you need to develop a passion for helping your patients and your community. You have already met our great faculty, dedicated, knowledgeable, compassionate, some more fun than others. But we cannot teach you everything that you will ever need during your professional life. We hope to inspire you to be curious about new developments in the field, make decisions based on ever-changing scientific evidence, your experience, and your moral compass. We hope you continue your education throughout your careers. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever." Study hard, be a team player, but don't get lost altogether as a class. Stay positive, stay healthy, and make us proud in the next 2 years and beyond. Congratulations to DH class of 2024 and your families. Let the journey begin. Thank you.
All right. So this is the moment you all have been waiting for. We will start our coding processional. I will ask Professor Tulsi Patel to lead our first group. Ayotunde Adeleke. Ishita Akhtar. Eric Arroyo. Krista Castleberry. Kelly Dang. Diana Doe. Ivy Duan. Michelle Duong. Jordan Jackson. Chansin Lee. Neep Lee. Darenika McGee. Haley McQueen. Jordanos Negusi. Cindy New. At this time, I will ask Clinical Assistant Professor Dr. Khairunisa Hashmani to lead the second group. Felicity Nguyen. Nog Nguyen. Thuy Nguyen. Tiffany Nguyen. Carla Pena. Priscilla Prez. Anne Pham. Giovanna Prado. Evelyn Salinas. Sinlu Sun. Salma Tellez. Priscilla Tovar. Saima Valiani. Jabao Xu. Alauddin Zamzam. All right. Now we need to make it official. Will the class of 2024 please stand? On the back of your program, you will have your oath at this time. And at this time, I would like all the dental hygienists in this room and also my colleague to join me at the recitation of the dental hygiene oath. In my practice as a dental hygienist, I affirm my personal and professional commitment to improve the oral health of the public, to advance the art and science of the dental hygiene, and to promote high standards of quality care. I pledge continually to improve my professional knowledge and skills, to render a full measure of service to each patient entrusted to my care, and to uphold the highest standards of professional competence and personal conduct in the interest of the dental hygiene profession and the public it serves. Class of 2024, congratulations. And please turn around and look at your family and your friends so they can congratulate you as well. Please be seated. Okay. I would like at this moment to thank all of the people who made this possible. Special thanks to the UTSD Dental Hygiene Alumni Association for their sponsorship. Of course, our support from our administration, from our beloved Dean, Dr. Valenza, through all the administrators. We also would like to thank Ms. Rosalind Collins and Ms. Louise Polaris for all the hard work in organizing this event. And as also, I would like to thank the Student and Academic Affairs. Also, I would like to thank Ms. Teresa Weiser and all her staff at the Pay Center. They have provided you guys some goodie bags. And I would like to thank Mr. Justin Simpkins from GSK. He's not here today, but he provided some bundt cakes for you guys after we're done with the ceremony. And also a special thank to Ms. Farah Mollahan and Mr. Whitney Anderson here in the back of the Cooley Center for all their hard work and their support today. And also I would like to thank Mr. Brian Schnapp, our wonderful photographer. And also I would like to thank our class of 2023 officers for their support and their participation today. And last and not least, I would like to thank all my colleagues, all the dental hygiene faculty for being here. So the pictures of the white coat ceremony, there is a Flickr account, the back of your program, that it will be uploaded to that account, to that website, that you can go ahead and later on go to that website if you want to download any of those pictures, okay? And then there is a backdrop in the outside. So if you want to take any pictures, you can take pictures. And we're going to have some refreshments and some goodie bags for you guys outside. So with that, with that, I congratulate you on behalf of the Alumni Association and wishing you guys a wonderful and safe weekend. Congratulations, class of 2024. Have a great one.